How to leave Snapchat group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable internet connection. After that, you can just go to the Play Store application and search for a Snapchat application over here. So just make sure that you have the updated version and the latest version of the application on your device. As you can see, the update is available in the device. So I'm going to tap on update for the Snapchat application. After tapping on that, all you have to do is just launch the Snapchat application after it gets updated. Then all you have to do is go to your chat section over here at the bottom and then tap on your groups. And as you tap on groups, tap on the group that you want to leave. As you tap on this, you just have to tap on the name or the Bitmoji emotion over here at the top, and then tap on the three dotted lines at top right, and here you can see the option of leave group. So tap on leave group and then it will give you a pop-up that if you really want to leave the group, and this will also remove you from its story, and snaps and chats you have sent will be cleared and any charms you have hidden will be restored. So tap on leave and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.